India Today TV, along with 70 other news channels, is a proud member of the News Broadcasters Association since 2007. We strictly follow the code of ethics and guidelines issued by NBSA. Beware of unregulated channels.
Well, trouble seems to be mounting for Karan Johar. Karan Johar's 2019 party will now be probed by the NCB. The NCB suspects cocaine was used at his party. Stars at Karan Johar's 2019 party now under the scanner. How deep does that go? We are going to try and get in a word from my colleague Munish. But mind you, even at that point of time, there was a leader, a political leader from Punjab, who had come out and said that drugs were used at this party. And at that point of time, a lot of the actors present in this party came out in defense that there was absolutely no drugs used. This particular video was actually made by Karan Johar himself during that party and put out on Instagram. The top, if one can call, the A-listers of Bollywood were pretty much present there, from Ranbir Kapoor to Deepika Padukone to right here on your television screen, Varun Dhawan. You have Vicky Kaushal there. That particular picture of Vicky Kaushal wiping his nose with that finger seemed to suggest that coke was involved to many. I want to connect right now to my colleague Munish Pandey, who's joining us. Munish, what is the NCB thinking now? The fact that this news break suggests that all the stars in the video are under the radar, could they be called for questioning?
Yeah, well, Preeti, at this point of time, what we do know that unofficially the Narcotics Control Bureau is looking into this video. The first priority is to find out whether the video is doctored or not. And once it is clarified that the video is authentic, then all those, including Karan Johar and all those who are in the video, they will be questioned by the Narcotics Control Bureau. As of now, there is no case registered as per, as per the video, but NCB claims that they are unofficially looking into the allegations, and once it is verified that the video is not doctored, then not only those persons who are in the video, they will be investigated, but also it will be investigated whether there was any drugs involved or not. So NCB is yet to register any case. They are still verifying through the forensic experts that whether the video is doctored or not. Preeti.
I'd like to ask you, Munish, what does it mean whether the video is doctored or not? What is the NCB investigating here? Can a pure video tell you whether drugs were used or not? What could be the possible forensic investigation of this particular video?
Yeah, well, the first priority of the NCB is going to be verify that the video is true or not, whether it is doctored or not. The second part, once it is authenticated that the video is true, this is not a doctored video, then the second part will be to verify that whether drugs was used or not as per the allegations. Because if NCB is going to probe, they are going to probe in drug angle. So all those people who are in the video, their statement will be recorded. They will be asked whether there was any drugs involved or not. Just through the video, it is very difficult for any agency to verify whether the material or the substances which are in the video are banned narcotic substances or not. So this is why the NCB is first going to verify the video. Once the video is verified, then the second stage will be to
I'd like to ask you, Munish, once again, if the video is authenticated, which actually Karan Johar, who made this video, has put it himself online. So that authenticity of the video is pretty much established because there's ownership of it. But having said that, how can you actually decide whether drugs were used or not? On what basis can the Narcotics Control Bureau investigate that pertaining to a particular video?
Yeah, well, Preeti, that is very important because, if there was if the allegations are, at this point of time under probe, and as per the allegations, there was drug use. If someone is using drugs in a party, that person will not ever post that video on social media. Now, this is allegation by one person, and on basis of one allegation, the NCB cannot register this case. Now, this video was uploaded by Karan Johar. Johar, but still the Narcotics Control Bureau has to follow the procedure, and as per the procedure and the protocol, first of all it has to be established whether the video was true or not. Once it is verified, then only the NCB can go and probe the allegations of whether drug was used or not. So still it is at a very initial stage. There is no case registered against any person who are in the video, and still there is no official complaint by any person against the Karan Johar or any other person. So still it is at a very initial stage, and unofficially the NCB is just verifying the claims. They are not actually investigating this case. So it is a very at a very premature stage, and it will be very difficult for anyone to say that the video is true or not, or whether drugs were used in the party as per the allegations.
All right, stay with me, Munish. I want to bring in Sushant Mehta as well. Sushant, it seems that the first level of investigation is to authenticate the video, whether it's a doctored video or not. But when you already have ownership, this video was taken by Karan Johar. He admits to taking it, and he's the one who posted it on social media.
Yes, remember, Preeti, I spoke to Karan and Vicky Kaushal, both, who were in question in the video. And Vicky said, I just scratched my nose and everybody started talking about snorting cocaine. Vicky also mentioned that he was recovering from a bout of dengue. And that's why he looked how he looked in the video. And he said that I don't want to give clarifications, but then every time a video is shot of me or Karan, then we have to issue clarifications. Karan Johar told me that he would actually initiate legal action against anybody who makes such unsubstantiated claims in the future. He was livid. He said, look, my mom was there. She met everybody in the party. I was just taking a video, and any reflection, remember, there was a white substance visibly appearing in the video, which people were saying somebody was trying to hide. And he said that it was a reflection of a marble. So he can't control how a marble looks. That's how it is. And he said that there were no drugs in that party whatsoever. And Vicky Kaushal also mentioned that Karan Johar, given his high-profile status, would never shoot a video of a party where there was any sort of drug use. Preeti.
All right, so both of you stay on with us. I want to quickly encapsulate the latest news break that we're getting in that particular video, which was posted by Karan Johar on social media. So in a way, the video is authenticated because Karan Johar can't really say that it was doctored because he put it on, and he did admit to put it on. Therefore, now it seems, at least there would be a procedure that would be followed, but Munish Pandey just told us that the first step would be to authenticate or not whether this video was doctored. That pretty much is out in the open because there's clear ownership, and the person who took it has admitted to putting it out. I want to now go back to Munish with that one question. Munish, how will the NCB now, what is the protocol that they are going to try and see whether drugs were used at this party or not? How would they arrive at that conclusion?
Yeah, well, Preeti, first part is to authenticate the video. The second part will be analysis of the video. Now, through the video, there are, experts who can tell you that this white-looking substance is drugs or not. They will go frame by frame, and then they will try to establish the allegations, whether the white-looking substance is marble or drugs. Now, the third step will be if it is inconclusive, if the opinion is that the white-looking substance is indeed drug, then the third step will be to register a case and then call those people for questioning to authenticate whether the allegations are true or not. So this is a procedure which the NCB has to follow. But once again, I am saying that there is no official complaint which has been registered by the Narcotics Control Bureau. This was an allegation made by a person, and because there is lot of things talked about Bollywood and drug nexus, the NCB is at this point of time still unofficially looking into this video. There is no investigation initiated by the Narcotics Control Bureau on this said video, where many celebrities, including Karan Johar, as per the allegations, were consuming drugs. But still NCB is yet to register a case. First step will be to authenticate the video. Second, through the analysis using the experts, they will arrive at a conclusion whether the white-looking substance is drugs or not. And the third step will be to register a case if something conclusive has been found.
All right. Appreciate you both for joining us. Thank you there. We're going to continue coming back to you on the latest on this story, but let's just move.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.